Canva template so that you can start creating your own little mood boards. All you need to do is pop the link that I've popped in this post into your browser. It will come up with this screen here, and all you need to do is click this use template button. So from here, you can then create, this is a template, which is a copy of the mood board. From here, it's completely editable. So you'll see that there's just a couple of slides. So there's this one here with the squares at the top. We've got some hexagonal ones. We've got some funky little shapes here, more of a mood board style here, and then like a little photo one, and then some circles. So again, this is all completely editable. All you need to do, if you'd like to just keep this template, you can come over here and go File, make a copy, and then go back to the original one, and you can call this mood board templates and just save that to your folder. And that way you'll just always have this template version. If you come over to the new one, you can now call this, my mood boards. That way you can edit this now, but you'll always have this templated version over here. So then all you need to do, so you can edit any of this, you can change the font, you can change the color of the font if you like, you can change any of this stuff up here. You can click on any of the elements. So for example, I'm clicked on the circle now, and you can change the color of the circle if you want to. You can click on the outside element, click on the color, and this pink one, click on the color, and you can change that if you like. And then in here, these are all what we call frames. So if you're not familiar with Canva, this is basically a placeholder for a picture. So from here, you can come across to uploads. And if you haven't already uploaded your images, you can download them out of the Lorraine Lee content library and then upload them into Canva by clicking on upload media. And then you can upload from your device if you've downloaded them off the content library. I personally have downloaded all of my images into Canva already, so that when I go into uploads, I can type in, the name, for example, and it will automatically bring up all of those images. Taya, for example. So all I need to do is then click on that image. It'll bring it up nice and big. I just need to drag and drop, and it will then end up, in this little square over here. So then I could do the same with the lavender, for example, drag and drop that into the top screen. We could go denim down in the bottom screen, and then maybe I'll pop, let's go, I might put this one down in the bottom left. And now we've got a nice little mood board with our beautiful Taya colors. You might change this to say Taya 4 ways. You can change any of this that you like. So then basically once you've done this, if you decide, you know what, I actually really like this format and I want to make a couple of them, all you need to do is click on this button up here which says duplicate, which will then just give you exact same slide. And then you can go ahead and delete those ones out here, and then you can put 4 new images in there if you want to. Same with here, you can pop any images you like into these beautiful little hexagonal pictures if you like. You don't have to use these, but these are just, showing you different ones that you can use. Again, drag and drop them into any of these pictures. You can add text in. Again, you can change the colors. Say, for example, you want to just make this a block color square. You can do that as well. So once you've finished doing all of this, you can then download from here as a PNG if you want them to download as individual images. Or if you go and create a whole bunch of things, so for example, you might just duplicate this over and over again and put all of your, quilt covers in here. If you decide, I want to turn all of this into a video, you can actually then come over here. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can... where is it? More. You can add audio. So you can put audio. You can choose any sort of audio you like. I'm just going to press pause on this. So this is now a little audio, and then we can go play. And it will actually just play through this video, and this just is automatically, get out of this, it's automatically setting it at 5-second intervals. So you can click up here to click animate, and you can, do some animations with this video by selecting any of these. There's all sorts of cool ones you can do, and you can do that individually. So say, for example, I want to do this as block. I can then go to the next one and click on animate, and then I can do drift here. I can, on this top one, click on the interval, and I can change this to 3 seconds. And then I might want to make this one 3 seconds as well. I want to make this one tumble and 3 seconds. You get the drift, and then basically I can hit play. We've got the audio, we've got the different thingies going on and different amounts of time. And so that is how you make a video really quickly. You can also say you want to do them all as one. You can click apply to all pages and it'll apply that same effect on all pages here. So that's kind of a little crash course. Once you've finished and you're happy with it, you can then come over here and click download, and it will download as an MP4 video. And that would include all pages. Say you only wanted to have the first, 4 pages as part of your video, you would just select the first 4 pages and click done. And then you would click download, and they're going to download to your computer as an MP4 file. So you can then upload them to SynShare or Facebook as a video file. So have fun creating lots of gorgeous images and videos for your online parties.